Hi everybody, welcome back. Hope you're having a good day, evening, weekend, whatever it is, wherever you're watching. I want to do a 16 by 20 and probably straight pour. We're going to use, this is Master's Touch Violet. Got Liquitex Basics Dioxazine Purple. I've got Aqua Flash, you know who it's by, I forget. Oh yeah, Folk Art, Color Shift, Aqua Flash. I've got Deco Art Antique Copper. Got Deco Art Copper. Got Deco Art Coral. These are all Deco Art. Well, the next two Deco Art. I am loving these. Deco Art Lemon Crush and Deco Art Extreme Glitter Lime Twinkle. Cool color. And I'm going to put some, this is Arteza Golden Hour. And I'm going to layer my layers, if that makes sense. Doesn't have to make sense. Okay. Start with a little white. Violet. Dioxazine purple. White. Aqua Flash. I like using the squeeze bottles because I just shoot it down the inside of the cup. Kind of helps them mix. Another little dot of white. I'll go with Antique Copper. And that's probably enough. I'll put just a tiny little bit of regular copper. Because it's beautiful, but it's a bully. It likes to take over. Another little bitty dot of white. I'm going to fill this up to the top. We're going to do a couple layers of these colors. Coral. Good little amount. A little spot of white. Golden Hour. I've been getting these squeeze bottles at Hobby Lobby. They're in the paint aisle. They're just on the end, opposite side of the aisle in my Hobby Lobby. But they've got the cap that stays with the bottle. If for nothing else, that saves things. Sorry. I will edit and we will come back in now. I had a heck of a time with the lime twinkle, so there's that. And this is the Lemon Crush. Very light color. I love what this does. I love the iridescence in it. One of that. A little dot of white. Oxazine purple. A little dot of violet. Aqua Flash. White. Good thing I'm taping this so I can write down what the colors are. I don't know, I'm just grabbing and going. Little copper. That's dark copper. Little copper. Seriously. More white. Coral. Golden Hour. twinkle if we got any left. Well, these top layers are going to be on the outside anyway, so lime twinkle, we need some more of that. Lemon crush. And we're about full to the top. A little bit of white. There we go. That's our cup. It's pretty. Don't knock it over. Nice. Okay. I'm going to flood the canvas. We'll be back in a bit to pour this. Okay. I have flooded my canvas. Popped the bubbles. I don't worry about the edges yet. I got my squeeze bottle. Get the edges when we're done. 16 by 20 calls for 11.5 ounces of paint. There's way more than that. Well, maybe not 11 ounces on there right now, but there's more than a couple ounces on there now. And this is a 9-ounce cup filled to the top. So we'll see what happens. I really hope copper plays nicely. I love these colors together. Okay, we're going in. Don't let me screw up the middle. Got it. Pretty good. Oof. Okay, now I can breathe. Hee-haw. Ooh, interesting. Yep. We're gonna see what happens. A bit of torch. Pop the air bubbles. And now we're just going to let it sit a minute and see what it wants to be. We'll be back to stretch. Find the weight of your paint. It's in the middle. So I'm just going to make slow circles. Might have to be a 2-part video. I don't know. You see, we've got a little wave of white out in front of our colors. That's what you want. Your composition isn't rolling over on itself. And it starts to. Go a little bit more down. It's just white. Oh, that is gorge. Gorgeous. Now we're going to come back to the middle. Come over to this corner. Needs more white. More cowbell. Now it's lighting. Almost to the edge, bring it back. Down to that corner. back. Down this way. We're going to catch that edge. Get back to the middle. Sorry about the camera. Back to the middle. Come off this edge. Just take it back to the middle. Come this way. Down to this corner. Just catch it. Back to the middle. Down this way, and then we'll come back to the middle. Squish up some of that. I'm just watching the composition to see what it's doing. I want to kind of tighten up some of this red band over here. That's about as good as that's going to get. And I'm going to stop there. And I think that made the coolest design. Looks like a little alien walking on his world. Cool. Check these cells. Oh, oh, oh. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh, can you see that little tiny turquoise cells inside the copper cell inside? I love that. So pretty. Copper cells up here and coral cells in the copper. Moonlight madness going on there. Little planets out in our galaxy. Love, love, love. Sorry about the glare. Hope you enjoyed it too. Not bad for a cold, rainy day. Y'all go getting some paint. Make a mess. Have some fun. Like my page. Leave a comment. Check my about section for links. See you on Insta. Go make happy accident. Oh, wait. Sorry about the jiggle. I had to reach behind me.
Anything that you try and you don't succeed, if you learn from it, it's not a failure.
See, if you try and don't succeed, you learn from it. It's not a failure. And this is not. Thanks, Bob. Later, y'all.